What I find fascinating today, Christoph, is the fact that the stock has gone higher. The numbers are really bad. The outlook's not great. They're painting a really bleak picture, and yet the stock is higher. So my question to you is all the bad news now finally out for the German auto sector?
Well, probably not. But I think the market does realize to some extent that from all the companies that are out there, Continental historically has been one of the strongest players, if you will. They come from double-digit margin territory, very strong cash generation. So if you want to stick with one company in a very challenging market for everyone, Continental might still be a good option.
Well, Christoph, you talk about how it still might be a good option, but they trimmed their profit forecast twice last year and their revenue forecast coming out again with a gloomy forecast today. What else do we need to see to start to see things turn around for this company?
I think the main aspect that many investors are looking forward is the corporate overhaul that the company has announced last year. They so far have stepped forward with a plan to prepare the powertrain division for a potential IPO, but investors are clearly hoping for a deeper changes, for a broader overhaul, and I think that is something that management will have to deliver on, I guess.
How much of the problems that this company are experiencing are kind of down to specific problems related to the auto sector? For instance, the car sector's problem with diesel, and how much of it is down to the global macro story, the slowdown that we're seeing in places like China and Europe?
That definitely plays the biggest role. The Chinese market downturn has been a big issue for all the car parts makers, Continental in specific. Diesel less so in Continental's case, because they have a fairly small exposure to diesel compared, for example, to Rauwald Bosch GmbH, who is very big in diesel. But if the overall market goes down in China, if it's stagnating in Europe, US car market potentially peaking, it's basically affecting stocks across the entire sector.